friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Ketan K. Mehta, consulting physician, and I am a practicing cardiopulmonologist. Friends, let's talk about oils and fats and relation to healthy heart. You must have heard of so many oils and they claim that they are heart friendly. But are they all really claiming whatever they are pausing to show? Do we really believe in that? So, let's understand certain facts about it. Though there are various such oils, but one of them stands out little differently, and that is olive oil. As per the research studies, they have shown that the heart disease risk can go down by 31% if olive oil has been a part of that particular diet. And you've heard of a diet called Mediterranean diet, a very popular diet where olive oil has been an important ingredient or part of it. Now, what is the special about this olive oil? Olive oil contains healthy fats. Friends, you will be surprised. Fats and healthy? Yes. So there are different components to fats. So what does this olive oil contain? It contains MOFA, or it called as monounsaturated fatty acids, and it has some beautiful antioxidants which works phenomenally well, like polyphenols and vitamin E. So, how does olive oil is beneficial for the heart? You know, there are good cholesterol and bad cholesterol, and what olive oil does, it reduces bad cholesterol or LDL and triglycerides. At the same time, it increases good cholesterol, that is HDL cholesterol. So, it has a beneficial effect in terms of those who have lipid abnormalities. In addition, it has antioxidant properties. It reduces inflammation in the body, and it has a free radical scavenging properties which is useful for prevention of heart disease. So you would be wondering whether olive oil can be a part of diet. So let me tell you, there are different varieties of olive oil which are available, and there is a variety called as extra virgin olive oil, which is popularly known as EVO, EVOO, and that is used for not only for salad dressing, it can be used for spreading over the toast instead of butter, and that would give a benefit. And also it can be used for cooking different type of foods. Olive oil can be definitely a choice for Indian cooking due to the light flavor and high smoke point. And olive oil, which is meant for Indian cooking, which can be used for making different types of Indian foods, which includes various curries, sabjis, tadkas, etc. And it has definitely value for it. So, the bottom line is, olive oil is not just a fat, but a functional nutrition. And I'm sure if you care for your heart, for your health, for your cholesterol, switching over to olive oil would be the best option. And I'm sure you would follow that.